Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me unboxing this Modelones gel polish starter kit. It's actually the creamy gel pots and polygel. So I will be unboxing it, doing some swatches, and doing a design for you today. So here is the kit. Here's the top layer of what comes in the kit. So you get some gel removal wipes. You get 3 15 milliliter polygels in clear, white, and pink. You get a top and a base coat. And you also get 2 glitter gel pots and 6 glitter gel polishes. Some of these items I already have because I've gotten a few of these starter kits before. So I'm thinking of doing kind of like a grab bag giveaway with a lot of my extras. I have about 5 or 6 Modelones gel polish top coats. Something that I'm thinking about for probably 750 subscribers. So let me know what you think about a grab bag giveaway where you can kind of pick the items that you want. Let me know what you ladies think. So the kit also comes with instructions. It comes with dual forms, and just so you guys know, these things are reusable. You can just clean them with alcohol and get multiple uses out of them if you're using them on yourself. So these dual forms will actually help you create a pretty long nail. You get a duster brush, a size 6 gel polish brush. You can use this for the pots or the polygel. You also get 2 cuticle tools. So one is a pusher, a scraper, and then the pink one will cut off the cuticles for you. You also get a pair of tweezers. You can use these to pick up your rhinestones. Excuse me. I'm still a little sick, guys, so please excuse my voice and any coughing in the background. You also get some rhinestones, a 100-180 grit file, and you get some striping tape. The kit also comes with a 6 light, 6 watt LED lamp, and you can just charge this into your phone charger base, and the cord is pretty long, so, or you can plug it into your laptop or your computer, whatever is next to you when you do your nails. This also excuse me, this also comes with instructions. So you can use this for 45 seconds. You just press the button once or hold it down for a couple seconds to have it cure for 60 seconds. So all in all, this is a pretty complete kit. So I'm going to show you the swatches of the polygel. And like I said, I've purchased a kit before, so I already have swatches, so I'm not re-swatching. So the first swatch is clear, the second one is pink, and that is the white. So when I originally did these swatches, it was summer, so the polygel was a little soft, but it's more of a medium consistency, but it was hot, so it was softer. So I've already swatched 2 of these glitters that come in the kit. The first color is 001 Oscar Skirt, and this color is 004 Tiffany Pink. So these are 2 items that I have that are duplicates. So those are 2 items that I would probably include, that I will actually include in a grab bag giveaway. Again, let me know what you guys think about a giveaway like that. I'd probably have some way where you can choose like maybe 10 items out of all of my duplicates. I don't know, let me know. Or I was thinking about doing like my own starter kit with a lot of duplicates I have, and then just doing that. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. It is I do want to do a 750 subscriber giveaway. Anyways, this first color that I'm swatching, that color was 27, and it's like a purplish brown. I did do 2 coats of that. Excuse me. The second color is color 28, so it's like a slate gray. And again, I'm not very good at describing colors, so I'm trying my best for you guys. So I did 2 coats of that as well. And then I cured each Each coat I cured for 60 seconds, and I'm using my regular lamp. The lamp that comes with the kit, yes, you can use it. It's a 6-watt lamp, so you probably would have to cure it a little bit longer. And for the sake of this video and the sake of my time, I wanted to use my regular lamp. So color number 29 is a really pretty, like, mauve-y, rosy pink. And again, I did do that with 2 coats. What I'm doing for this video is I'm going to show you the colors with the shiny top coat and the matte top coat as well. So keep watching so that you can see the colors. They're both really pretty, shiny and matte as well. And I've kind of been trying to play with matte a little bit more. And it gives you like a really different range of colors, what you can do with your polishes you already have. So I'm playing with matte a little bit more. Anyways, this color is color 30, and I want to say it's like a grayish brown, or like a purplish gray, but a pretty dull purple. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe that, guys. And again, 2 coats, cure each layer for 60 seconds. The other color I'm doing, that's me showing the swatch of it on my, next to my skin. So the next color is 31, excuse me, and that is a gray, and it has like kind of a purple undertone. So a lot of these colors do have that pink or purple undertone to them. So it's kind of a nudish color palette. Anyway, so that is color 31, and I did 2 coats of that as well. I didn't have as much ease with this color as getting the layers smooth as I did with all the other cream pots. And I don't know, maybe I think something might have been on my brush or my swatch stick, but I wasn't able to get them smooth. And so the last swatch I'm showing you is a peachy color, and that color is number 32. And what happened was my camera actually stopped recording, and I didn't know. So you don't actually see me swatching it, but here are the colors with both the top coat and the matte coat. So it's a peachy color. So that color was kind of, it does go with the collection, but it kind of threw me off a little bit. So I'm just going to play with some of these colors. I'm going to use the Oscar Skirt 001. That was the glitter gel pot. And the way that I apply my chunky glitters is, if I want full coverage, I kind of apply them like a builder gel. So I kind of just walk it down the nail or float it down the nail. And you do use a lot of product if you do it this way, but I wanted full coverage. So I wanted the entire nail like solid holographic glitter. So these pots are a good size. I believe they're 5 grams. So with the gel pots, a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to do 2 coats. I did them in the swatches, but when I paint a couple other nails, I only use 1 coat. For the light gray that I'm using, I did use 2 coats on this set. But so the 5 gram pots would go a long way. Okay, so I didn't paint this set in order. I was kind of like all over the place when I was creating this set. So after I edit it, I'm doing the voiceover after I edit it, so I'm not really sure what's coming next. So just forgive my pauses and my slight confusion as to what's going on my in this video. So that the previous one that I showed was color 31, and I did do 2 coats of that. This current color, this pink color, is color 29. I did 2 nails in this color, and I only did 1 coat of each with this pink, and that was color number 29. For the gray. I'm going to do the darker gray, the slate. It's kind of a slate gray. I believe on that one, I only did one coat as well. Excuse me. So you can see that these go on pretty smooth. And one thing that I do like when I'm using my top coat is if the polish underneath is shiny. So you'll see here that the polishes, after I cure them, they already look like they're top coated, but they're not. So that, I don't know if that means anything, but to me, I really like when my polish is already shiny. And I don't know if it makes the top coat last longer. Okay, so here's me doing the second coat of the gray. So I'm gonna add, okay, now what's coming up next is how I get my chunky glitter smooth. In this instance, what I did was I added, I cured it for 60 seconds. Then I added the top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. And I'm just going in with a small little buffer block, and I'm just buffing out the surface of the nail. And the top coat kind of protects the glitter, so I'm not really filing on the glitter or anything like that. And after that, I just clean it off. I just wipe off all the dust, and then I go in with another coat of top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So I ended up with a really full coverage, chunky glitter nail, and I really love how this nail turned out. Anyway, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of rhinestones on the other nails, and because this is just a practice set, I'm not wearing this on myself. I just use my top coat to adhere the rhinestones. And these are the rhinestones that came in a previous kit for Modelones, so I didn't open the ones that came today. And generally, I use these a lot for practice. Someone did ask me where I got my rhinestones from. I think it might have been on Instagram that I was asked that. So a lot of the stones that come in the kit, they're okay, but they're like not the best quality. Like, so those are the ones that I use to practice. And it just helps me like kind of figure out designs, or I can try something out to see if I really want to do it on myself. And you don't want to do that with your more expensive rhinestones. So these kits that come with these little wheels of rhinestones are perfect. Anyway, so that's pretty much it that I did with this set. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on a grab bag giveaway. Like, does that even make any sense? But essentially, just with a lot of the duplicate items I have, I don't want them just sitting around. I want to give them to someone who can actually put them to use. And so yeah, I like to pick a few of my duplicate items. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will figure out something for my 750 subscriber giveaway. I am not there yet. I'm actually only at like 580, but hey, I know I'm gonna get there, so I kind of want to plan something for that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also, please like the video and leave a comment down below. I will see you guys again on Friday for another video. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for spending your time with me.